Hey there, welcome back to ChatGPT Shorts. Today, we are going to dive into the concept of mindful discipline in under 60 seconds. Mindful discipline is all about bringing awareness and intention to our actions. It involves being present in the moment, acknowledging our thoughts and feelings without judgment, and making conscious choices that align with our values. One key aspect of mindful discipline is developing self-control and regulating our emotions. By staying mindful of our impulses and reactions, we can respond to challenging situations with clarity and composure. Another important component is cultivating a sense of compassion and empathy towards ourselves and others. By practicing self-compassion and understanding, we can approach discipline from a place of kindness rather than harsh judgment. Incorporating mindful discipline into our daily lives can help us lead with authenticity, integrity, and resilience. So remember, be kind to yourself, stay present, and make choices that honor your true self. Uplifting ending, embrace mindful discipline, and watch your life transform in beautiful ways. See you next time on ChatGPT.
Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the key to AI success, consistent transformation. In order for AI to truly succeed in any organization, it's essential for leaders to prioritize consistent transformation. This means continuously evolving and adapting AI systems to meet the changing needs of the business and its customers. One of the main benefits of consistent transformation is the ability to stay ahead of the competition. By constantly updating and improving AI technology, companies can maintain a competitive edge in the market and provide innovative solutions to their customers. Another crucial aspect of consistent transformation is the ability to maximize the potential of AI. By regularly analyzing data and making adjustments to algorithms, businesses can ensure that their AI systems are performing at their best and delivering the desired results. So, remember, the key to AI.
Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into how neural networks develop mindsets. Let's get started. Our first point is that neural networks are like our brain's way of learning and adapting. Just like how we learn from experiences and form opinions, neural networks do the same by adjusting their connections based on the data they receive. Next, we have the concept of reinforcement learning. Neural networks develop mindsets by reinforcing connections that lead to positive outcomes and weakening connections that lead to negative outcomes. This is similar to how we learn from rewards and consequences in our daily lives. So, in the end, neural networks develop mindsets through a complex process of learning and reinforcement. Remember, just like how we can shape our own mindsets, neural networks can also be trained to develop specific mindsets.
Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today, let's talk about how our habits can impact our success in machine learning. The first way our habits affect machine learning success is through consistency. Just like with any skill, regular practice is key to improving our understanding and proficiency in this field. By setting aside dedicated time each day to work on machine learning projects, we can make steady progress towards our goals. Another important habit for machine learning success is continuous learning. The field of machine learning is constantly evolving, with new techniques and tools being developed all the time. By staying curious and always seeking out new knowledge, we can stay ahead of the curve and improve our skills. So remember, by developing positive habits like consistency and continuous learning, we can set ourselves up for success in the exciting world of machine learning. Uplifting ending sentence: keep up the good work and happy coding.
Hey there, it's so great to have you here. Today, we're going to talk about why focus is essential for machine learning success. One of the key reasons why focus is crucial in machine learning is because it requires intense concentration and attention to detail. Whether you're working on training a model or analyzing data, even the smallest distraction can derail your progress and lead to errors in your work. Furthermore, staying focused allows you to dive deep into complex algorithms and understand the intricacies of machine learning techniques. By immersing yourself fully in the task at hand, you can uncover valuable insights and make more accurate predictions. So, the next time you're diving into a machine learning project, remember that focus is your secret weapon for success. Stay present, stay dedicated, and watch your skills and results soar. Uplifting ending sentence. Keep your eyes on the prize and your focus sharp. You've got this. Medium skin tone flexed biceps # machine learning success.